Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to create a file in Linux operating system. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I am here in the command line in Linux. So to create a file, the command is touch. So to know the syntax of the touch command, we issue the word man for manual touch and then press the enter key in your keyboard. Okay, so we have here touch, description, update the current access modification times of file to the current file. Okay, there are so many options. Let us type Q to quit, no? So touch, let's say example text.doc. In Linux there is no extension, but for demonstration purposes I will put an extension doc. Press the enter key in our keyboard. Okay, so when we issue ls command, there is already a file called text.doc. But if we try to check, we issue a command cat text.doc, it contains nothing, no content of the file. Again, to create a file, touch, let's say resume.doc. So when we display the content of our current directory, ls command, we have two file, the resume.doc and text.doc. Okay guys, so I think this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create a file in Linux. Thank you so much for watching. If you have some questions or clarification, just leave a comment in the comment section of this video. Thank you so much for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.